Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, home of the Houston Astros. We believe, right?
We believe. We'll take it tonight.
Earned history, Astros. Right. We're rooting for you in Game 7 of the World Series tonight. And there's Houston fans been coming in all week, pretty much dead tired from setting up watching the games already.
That's right.
But we're still rooting you on, and
win it.
you know, we love y'all LA people, but you can have the Dodgers. We're going to bring some ring dingers home with you tonight. Equals
right.
Home runs. Right?
That's right.
Yeah.
Ring dingers.
You know what LA stands for? Los Astros.
Oh, there you go. That's it. There you go. That's a good one. Los Astros. We ought to name the video that one. Okay, very good. So I'm going to go ahead and check your hubby out here.
Okay.
Now, Carl's only been in here one time. Carl, would you mind sharing with him what you told me when you came back in? From your very first visit.
My very first visit, it's changed everything. I'm sleeping now. I'm not tossing and turning. I'm getting rest. I mean, I've been telling everybody about this because it has truly changed how I am.
You felt so good after your first visit, you referred your wife in.
Yeah, she's got to come in.
So Sylvia's filling out the paperwork this evening, getting ready for next time.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
So we can get everybody lined up.
Everybody needs to go.
I got an old saying, you knock them out, I line them up.
There you go. There you go.
Okay, well, let's take a look at you here. I'm going to have you flex your head forward and backwards, and then back to neutral. See, you're still a little forward and to the right here, and you're still a little bit left down here. Do you see you have more space here than you do over here? Right. Okay, let's give those Astros a ring ding. Here we go. This one set you free, didn't it?
Oh, it did.
Slide down this way just a little bit. We had one of our NFL guys come in from Denver yesterday, and he said, I've been taking my iPhone in and showing all these chiropractors your videos. They go, well, they really don't like that very much. He said, but I can't find anybody to adjust me like you do.
Right.
So he flies here from Denver to get adjusted because he can't find anybody to do all this on him. There you go. All right. There we go. Home run. That's a ring dinger.
Oh, yeah.
Go Astros. So every time the Astros hit a home run tonight, say ring dinger.
Ring dinger.
And they're going to hit some tonight. There you go. Because we're believing they're going to bring home the world championship tonight.
Absolutely. Houston needs it.
Houston does need it. Houston strong. That's right. That's my old man strength I used on you that time.
It's Houston strong.
Yeah. That's good.
Stomach?
Yes, sir. Let me change this. Don't look like you're shading makeup.
Not this week.
Well, your legs are even. That's a good start.
Good.
That probably doesn't tighten up as bad as the first time I did it.
Not at all.
Alright, so I'm going to adjust your sacroiliac joints first. There we go. Yes, sir. That's it. Yes, sir. Noisy crack addicts are gonna love you. Look at you. Noisy everywhere. That's it. Good job. It's the only place in town you can get beat up, feel better, and pay for it. It's still legal. There we go. I was taking care of an HPD officer the other day and did him, caught him off guard, and kind of took his breath away. Let's go on your back. He goes, yeah, you know, if you'd been on the street, I'd probably put you in cuffs for that one. Perfect. Now slide down about an inch and put your arms out like this. Now this next maneuver I'm going to do is it's a really simple adjustment. It's again a high velocity, low amplitude adjustment. I'm adjusting the knee, the hip joint, the SI joint, and the lumbosacral joint. But ask yourself, does your chiropractor do that too? Because a lot of people tell me that's their favorite thing. Gets rid of most of their low back pain. There you go. Should have felt that all the way up.
Oh, yeah.
Good man. Okay, let's sit you up, Carl. Face that away. Good job. Did you see Mattress Mac flew a bunch of Houston fans out there on a private plane and got them World Series tickets and everything? He's a true Houstonian, isn't he?
He is.
He is.
And President Trump talked about him. Did you see that?
No.
Yeah, President Trump talked about him. He said there's this man in Houston, Texas, owns a furniture store called Mattress Mac, and he was out taking his trucks and employees out rescuing people during Hurricane Harvey.
Yeah, he's an amazing man.
Yep, he's done a lot for the city.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's stand right here.
Oh, here it goes.
Yep. Gun. Let's flex you forward and backwards. Well, you know, here in Houston, we gotta shoot you.
Oh, gosh.
No, it's really not bad here in Houston. It's a clean city. Relatively low crime compared to a lot of big cities. There we go. And home of the Houston Astros and your Houston Chiropractor. There you go.
Yeah.
Yep, that's perfect right down the middle. See the difference?
Yeah, absolutely.
Very good. Do you feel better than when you walked in the door?
I do.
I
I
could tell
appreciate
you.
it.
Yeah, you're quite welcome.
I appreciate it.
So, this is your Houston Chiropractor advising all of y'all to say ring dinger when the Astros hit those home runs tonight. Go Astros.
Go Astros.
Yep.